We're here at the RCI show today to give customers and contractors an insight into Alutec, to explain to them the new benefits of the Elite roof outlet range, which has been launched this month, and to make sure that they get to meet some of our key people within the business that they might not normally get to see.
Elite roof outlet range was designed to supersede our existing range of outlets. Our old industry generic outlets, they've been around for a good 60 years now, and they're not up to sort of speed with modern roofing technologies. So we felt it was about time we revamped the whole outlet range and made an outlet that was compatible with all roof waterproofing membranes, all sort of roof build-ups, and be obviously the top performing outlet on the market. We're here to exhibit today. It's all the gutter ranges that we do, all the roof outlets, all the fascias and soffits. And we're also launching a new web-based design tool which helps specify, it makes things a lot easier for them to determine the size of the gutter that they need, the number of roof outlets they need to drain a roof, and it's all in compliance with the latest BSEN 12056 design standard.
Any delegates attending the CPD tomorrow will come away with new insight into why it is that aluminium is so popular, what's driving the market growth in the use of aluminium rainwater systems, and the part they can play in that by taking on the opportunities to install themselves, to be assured that aluminium as an eaves product doesn't have to be scary. It's something that can be installed using mainstream trades. From that, they can also get some insight on the standards which are driving some of the choices now being made with rainwater systems and with these systems too.
Come and see us at the RCI show on stand E4, and we'll be happy to guide you through any of our products.